Good day, classmates, and especially to Ma'am Anjima Alona. By the way, I'm De Los Santos Remart, HRS 11A. I'll be your tour guide at this afternoon. I hope you will enjoy. That's it. Come on. Let's go. The shrine was constructed in 1980s as a way to honor Mary, the Mother of Jesus, to handle overflow clouds. At the summer services in 2003, the shrine was recognized as a 16th national shrine in the United States. The Mother's Wall is a tribute to all mothers, living or deceased. Patron can visit shrine at any time to view these names. Patrons can also purchase space, future engravings. Can you see the shrine? And the whole city of Maasi. Manayot mo na. The back of the statue shrine, there's a small church to be held a mass. And also the prayers of the shrine. You see the statue of the small angels in the small church on the back of the shrine. You can mass here. Well, that's it. That's the end of my tour. By the way, again, I'm De Los Santos Remart, HRS 11A, your tour guide. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye. The shrine. Hey!